Hello, good morning. My name is still Mr. Adetola George Aino. How I've been using this strategy. Look at it. This is the one we bought from Blue Bear Binary. This is how it works. And this is one I got from Tunes Institute of Forest. I combine both. You see, this is the lowest low here. And this is our signal that we used to use in Bull Bear Binary. Then what I'm waiting for this type of arrow that comes down, but it will go up. I want it to go up. Then this smart cell must change to buy. Once it's changed to buy, I will place trade for 1 hour expiry. If you look at it, this is 35-minute time frame. Let me pause it. This is the type of signal I'm talking about. Look at it. Up. This one is up. This is our signal. This one is buy also. Just click on buy for 1 hour expiry. If we look at it very well, this is our own signal that we used to use. And this is the lowest low. And this is his own signal that says buy. Look at it. Both of them are aligned. I don't take the trade that time. Once this one comes out, that shows me the direction. And this one also is showing buy. That's the right time for me to buy. Then I'll now take 1 hour expiry. That's how I've been using it.